So for this project you are gonna need a breadboard. Here I have Arduino Nano or Arduino UNO, whichever one you can use, anyone. So, and also a cable to upload the code into the Arduino. Also a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, and a servo motor, which is micro servo 9G SG90, and some jumper wires to connect everything. Here we have. Now place the Arduino Nano on breadboard. Place it in the middle so you can access the pins from both sides, and place the potentiometer as well, like that, so you can separate them. Let's move on to the making connection. So these two terminals of the potentiometer, positive and negative, you can connect anyone to the positive and negative. So place it on PCB breadboard and connect it to the 5 volt, and the ground wire connect to ground, and the middle pin goes to analog 0. And the connection of servomotor. Servomotor has 3 terminals. The yellow one is for the signal, the middle one is a positive, and brown one is for the ground. So let's connect it according to this. So I'm connecting these two, positive and ground, like that, and they will go to positive and negative of the Arduino Nano here. For the signal wire, I have this jumper wire here, connected and connected till number 9 of the Arduino, which is digital 9, and which is also known as pulse width modulation pin. So keep that in mind. Now moving on to the computer screen. Here we have a website called tinkercad.com. Go to the circuits, click on create new circuit, and here you to search Arduino, and small breadboard. You can use mini breadboard like that I have here, and servomotor and potentiometer. This should be 10 kilo ohm. You can change the values. Now arrange the components so you can understand what's going on. Make the connections like that. Ground pin to the breadboard and also the 5-volt pin to the breadboard like that. And now potentiometer, the external terminal, one will go to the positive and the other one go to the negative. So change their color as well. And the middle pin will go to analog 0 pin. Here we have. For the servo motor connections, you're gonna need a ground pin, connect to ground, change its color, and the power pin goes to 5-volt. Here, change its color as well, and the signal pin will go to digital pin 9 of the Arduino. Change its color as well. So now for the code, go to the Arduino IDE. Here we have Arduino IDE. It's put in on the side of the screen. Here, let me arrange so you can see what's actually going on. Go to the files and go to examples, go to servo and click on knob, and this code will open, and here we have initialized the potentiometer analog 0 and my servo attached to pin 9, and this is the values, and delay is 15 milliseconds. Now go to tools, select the Arduino Nano and whichever the Arduino you are using. Here I don't have the Arduino port, so when I will plug this Arduino here, so you will see the port 8 is appeared here. So this is the Arduino Nano port. Now I will upload this code, and this servo motor will be active, and code is uploading now. Uploading is done. Now I will rotate this potentiometer, and this servo motor is also gonna rotate. Some wires issues. I have something. not working right now. What is happening? Actually, we have made some connections which are not quite right. Now we have everything is hooked up. As I rotate the Arduino potentiometer, the servo motor also rotates. When I rotate back, our servo also rotates. See, I am rotating the potentiometer and it's also, with that I am controlling the servo motor. You can position it wherever you want. It's very responsive. And you might be thinking I'm rotating clockwise and servo is rotating anti-clockwise. Why is that? Because of the potentiometer connections. What if I change their connections like that? If I rotate it to clockwise, servo also rotate clockwise, and I rotate anti-clockwise, it will rotate anti-clockwise. Moving on to the screen, we have here Tinkercad. On Tinkercad, we will upload the same code. Copy that code, Control All, Control C, and go to the code editor and click on blocks and drop down menu, select text and click on continue and remove this code. And paste the code that you have copied from Arduino IDE and click on, just move that side and click on start simulation. When the simulation initializes, you will see the servo motor has come to its initialized state. Now I will rotate the potentiometer and it's also rotating the servo as well. So you can simulate at the same time, and also on the breadboard you can see that here as well. I can rotate. That's the initial position, that's the final position. So it's 180-degree turn. I am controlling it. You can also control multiple servo motors. In next tutorial I will show you how you can do that. Till now, subscribe to my channel and also give a like to this video. And if you want more videos, I will upload. And if you have any question, leave a comment down below.